In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Base44 in just 5 minutes. This process will guide you through setting up your account and getting ready to start building your ideas. So, let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you typically use. Once it's open, head to the search bar at the top and type in Base44. Hit Enter, and shortly, you should see Base44 listed among the search results. It's usually right at the top of the page. Click on the link to navigate to the Base44 website. Now that you're on the site, look for a button or link that says Start Building. It's usually prominently displayed on the home page, making it fairly easy to spot. Clicking this button will launch you to the next step in the process. At this point, you'll find yourself on the pricing page. Here, Base44 offers different plans tailored to various needs. Take a moment to consider which plan best suits your requirements. Whether you're looking for personal use or something more robust for business, there's likely a plan that fits. Once you've decided, click Get Started next to the plan of your choice. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to create an account. There are 2 ways to do this. The first is by manually entering your email address and creating a password. You'll likely need to fill in some additional personal information as well to complete the sign-up. Alternatively, Base44 offers the convenience of signing up with Google. If you choose this route, simply click the Sign Up with Google option. When you select the Sign Up with Google button, you'll be prompted with a permissions request from Google. You'll need to accept these permissions to continue. Essentially, this is just allowing Base44 to access certain information that Google uses to verify your account, streamlining the process without needing to enter details manually. Once your account is set up, the fun part begins. You'll be taken to a page where you can start bringing your app ideas to life. This is done simply by writing a prompt describing your app idea. Feel free to express your creative vision. Base44 will provide you with various tools and resources to help develop and refine your concept from this starting point. And there you have it. You're now ready to dive into Base44 and explore everything it has to offer. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting, Base44 is equipped with resources to help you build your app, and you can now begin experimenting with all the features available. Thanks for joining me, and enjoy your journey with Base44.